Hey there, my name is Viraj, and in this video we'll look out after the InstaWP Launcher. So this is an extension, Chrome extension that you can use to quickly launch WordPress websites. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, this is the page on the Chrome Web Store of InstaWP Launcher. I'll quickly add it to my Chrome and show you guys how it works. Okay, so I'm just adding it to my Chrome. Yeah, so it's now telling me to sign in, so I'll just quickly do my sign in. Yeah, so now I'm inside my InstaWP dashboard. So this is the first tab. This only requires you to do one time. You don't have to do it every time when you try to hit on the launcher button. So this is the first step we need to do in the first time. Okay, so suppose you want to try a new WordPress plugin. So let us go to WordPress form block. Yeah, so this is the plugin I want to try on my site. I just want to try how the plugin is, how the plugin works, and is it suitable for my workflow. Okay, so I want to try this plugin. So as you can see, as we installed the InstaWP Launcher previously, so I am seeing a launch button. A launch button is visible beside the download button. This launch button, however, is not visible to normal users, but since we have installed the InstaWP Launcher on our Chrome extension, so we got this launch button. So yeah, so see the magic. When I hit the launch button, quickly an instance is created, or WordPress instance created using the plugin, the form plugin which we wanted. So this plugin is already installed in this site. Now we just have to quickly log into our WordPress dashboard, continue to site. I am inside, and you can see the plugin is already installed, Good Enough Forms. When we go to plugins, yeah, the plugin comes pre-installed when we choose to log in via the Chrome extension. Okay, so this is the beauty of InstaWP. So that's it for this video. So this was a short introduction to InstaWP Launcher.